Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wafre me adwoa searching ebusuan for me strong so subscribe and me strong no wa subscribe me notification bell no so for more news ebusuan for Togbe Afede ene di ni hu bo se tisenyo o de ensem bia beto dwa o kire se Ghana yen judicial system no se ya hwe yi a de besi wo Ghana ha no e bia na in the years to come no yampe nti ese se Ghana ha mo do mo na isifem na yen judicial system no ekoyie ensem we kọ so e wo Peace FM kokroko political morning show so
ensem a ekoso wo NDC yewura Mahama part 2 we say ehu papa hwe baby a metie yi ene baby a doctor tie yi eho enana notu agbesi etie ena omuka so mo de ne ba no me ka se eye settings no mo de ne ba no ma begya no na ye scam no ba ko no me say bisa se obedru ye no ne nim ba bi owo last 2 weeks me da say so wa he we ka se me ntwa asem no so me na me nim say from day 1 mo ka say wo mo I started extradition there ben no mo de ne ba no no mo de ne ba begya no so mra no ma di ne fetiri ne akpele ne fetiri na ne ho nto no
for 3
okay ena abamu no say aban we buy one high profile cases obi a no mo nam mo bank so amankrofo ahwiri sika twitwiri die enumpo and for the gina so ye campaign one more near Susu, including current finance minister, almost Maniedi. A buying we buy the first stepper, Attorney General, Yura, Dominica Yeni, a year, and he say, or CBB a friend, Nolly prosecutor. Me nimni tree, lawyer never hay. Just a chance him no more. Munkom fie, Minyada, you come, you could disasem no. Say a year meritorious so. Senya meritorious or so no dear on hwenim bonkum enhweni fa on peneton empene noa wo hwe aduane nyina to agu bonkum fie ya san bejai we nti se pa no wo mkofa time bi ba ya nti obi ye clearing agent se hwan pa na Ghana ha o ye clearing agent we yewura Muhammad fiwa hwan ye clearing agent ma implication of sa action see enra anana no Togbe Afede atogli o can say be time omudi 150 years of Supreme Court o see ensem ekoso court dem ho ene de omususu say justice ni bi ye no ema yanya yeti oman yi mu no ye gidie e wo the judicial system no ekofom 2 politically one eto abama yen see emebu oman no gidi a wo mo wo yemu no it will continue to sink because as some ye beka no enya ne yedi so enti aden enti court no men kokan makoye contempt of court bia na mom court ba ko adi ma me no akasa edi ensem ni bi ho gi tumo sika no na ese yemfa koma edwomfo no na ankoduru no o ka se sika na egu account wo ko hwe account na sika no enti sika no fa hene won't media no bodwe ya the circumstantial evidence call them 20 years onu de no bodwe enti ya masim no akoni se ya nana yawo ya de haya ho so man na nye esi ya man ya nyina esi ya trase nka president Mahama otimi said the man attorney general na crofo ya high profile cases obi aba kofi ekodi kokodi fufu kokodi du akpele kokodi acheke koye we say no nana yawo say of mine no ye hwen kan ye Supreme Court say Ghana or chiremu say political
na ade nti na call so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abra all campaign no can send bebre na semba ko a oka ye to Ghana for akoma so pa ne se oba NPP aban na ombebu aban ansa na oba na obi a wabokon ne bi obechina tu na mpo ne NDC aban anase ne nkofo omo one omo bebu amembu no obi obedi sika bia obe prosecute nipa na jail no Ghana for omo de omo bo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ba so na nya sempeto akra His Excellency John Dramani Mahama be president and the NDC fo a NPP fo omo ba bem omo be hwe se omo edi sika omo dom ko gina court His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akle omo nyina omo ti so obi amfa no ho ko ya Ghana ha na His Excellency omampani dada na dada kwaku fo ado Sami Jemfi and any babies with sharp teeth and almost two mood in some clearing agent now they are clearing agent in the His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on why clearing agent too just what cry your friend say Ura Kobnado for talk of current finance minister ambulance who says me will buy no museum Madam said the name Temaklu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama pencil from 2012 to 2016 omo man sika so fan kom ona nkasa ne yonkofo mba edwemofo mba omo fe didwa na ma me no edi sika nye sika ketewa NPP bo mo de no kogina court edi na sem o tro letter de koma court ne se ne ho fa ne to kosa ne wo yare oti do o cheso oti do okọ wan bebio to say 8 years so NPP fo ekoya ne aban bai NDC fo dada ye omo kofa na aba ampo mo kofa ne ba mo na akwa hye dem inde appeal court omo se ondi sika bi anto mo eja no and some way na ekofa eye owura Togbe Afede na say ohene Togbe Afede den semi e bai His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so onko on the car where the Ghana is going so what she say NDC ni bia wa bokon no bia wa clear no so onko tenefi o ndi sika ne mom chema wontumi a ondi Ghana sika no galamse oye no mama no 20 years yen ka se chema no ntumi se wa ye bone a ondi service on be jail no na wona wo ye galamse wa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne pensu ye nde mfitri na galamse ekoso woso so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so hu oh my Ghana
111 hospitals agenda 111 if you start from Azim in the environmental area there isn't even a single hospital which being built with a name under agenda 111 not even one. When you go to Elembere, there is no hospital, no agenda 111 hospital. Now, when you go to Jomala, not even one agenda 111 hospital. Master, how do you want me to describe it? Hey, but nobody who father, no, can I mind? Maybe someone won't come to me and say, if you have offended the government, let me know. 3 constituencies. Not even one agenda 111. Meanwhile, the oil fund is in Zima. Meanwhile, you guys are making money from the oil fund. Meanwhile, the people of Zima, they are bearing the brunt of all hazards. The heat, the searing heat in the evening. In the evening, you can't sleep when you go to a town in the evening.
This is the reason why I want your henny. Na politics. Ekata wania. See ni na ewie. Wo your henny a wote wakonya so. Na wo so wo di your henny na obema wo ho kwan. Na politics. Akata wani. Ana so se wo bedo party A. Na watam party B. And all bedo party B na what time party A se wo yo hene na saa adwini wei ene botaye wei ene wo wani so asie ni na ewiewu enenze my hene gina ho ka say agenda 111 hospitals no na Akufo-Addo ansi bi ewe bia na obobo ye no nti mi bisa saa ohene wei say Elembene na ose na Akufo-Addo amfa agenda 111 amfa mba wono sa project we sa hospital we ehimfa na esi
111 hospitals agenda 111 if you start from Azim in the environmental area there isn't even a single hospital which being built with a name under agenda 1. Not even one. When you go to Elembere, there is no hospital, no agenda 111 hospital. Now when you go to Jomola, not even one agenda 111 hospital. Master, how do you want me to describe this? Hey, but nobody who father, no, can I man? Maybe someone won't come tell me say if you have offended.
It is our hospital. It's him fa. Enye elembe nesi. Hospital na wujina hona wo say elembe no. Na Kufuado amfa hospital amba ho no. Agenda 111 amba ho na. Ene wababonti na wo si wedi MPP for ho ya. Wedi na Kufuado ho ya no. Sa hospital we na yaye ne government hospital elembe no. Sa hospital we esi himfa. Sa hospital we no esi himfa. Enye elembe na wo ka ho asema aso ohene a wo pese wo chichiri kuro. Aso ohene a wo de kura no. Sa why wadwen so obeta ne se party ado party bia. Ebesi de na party na wo tan no. Oba power odi mpuntu aba wo ukurum. Ebesi de na party na wo susu se wo tan no. Oba power obesi de no odi mpuntu e de aba ukurum. Elembe na wo ka ho asem na wo si wadi MPP for ho ya no. NDC buy no obesi biesi ho. NDC ba power no. Wababe kukuru elembe no. Wababe kukuru hospital di esi ho. Nti sa hospital di esi elembe no. Sa hospital no. Wandia. One esi. One esi sa hospital no. One esi. Mi bisanze mahene. One esi sa hospital ni. Elembe na wo sa agenda 111. Na Kufuado ensi hospital ensi ho no. Sa hospital say yaye no government hospital at Elembe no. Sa hospital infanisi. Owo hene. Sa wo hene wo wukurum. No kasase ya. Ebeside na wukuru no atumpon. Ohene esese ujira ne nanso. Na impuntu ba no. Se wo pese mpuntu ba tama na MPP so no ane na nke sese wo ye bibi wo fight se mpuntu beba wo krom enya afi ya MPP afiri so no e na wo ba beka ho asem wo beka ho asem ade na be